Alright guys, welcome back to a Sunday breakdown. These are the markets that I'm interested in this week. Number one, we've got AUD CAD. You see on the weekly time frame, we are still bullish. We've currently rejected from this previous area of interest, EMA, as well as round psychological level. Got that huge doji, so I definitely anticipate filling this wick completely and potentially even reaching weekly structure point. Daily time frame as well is bullish. You see this is our higher low, this is our higher high. We have come back and we're retesting this little daily area of interest right here. So what I anticipate here is a little lower time frame, break a structure, and we'll potentially be entering this trade within this area after our break a structure, as well as an engulfing candlestick on the higher time frame, 4 hour, 2 hour, whichever one looks the best. Zero NZD, it's kind of the same thing. We are bullish on the weekly. My first take profit would be this structure, but realistically my final take profit will be this weekly structure point. I'm not sure if this one will be ready this week. We may need another week just to form that rejection. We do have a daily semi-doji retesting previous structure point. Weekly time frame, technically retesting previous structure point, more retesting area of interest, but the daily is definitely retesting area of interest and previous structure point, as well as we have almost touched this round psychological level. I do believe we are going to dip into this round psych level. Then we will get a break of structure on this 4 hour. After that 4 hour break of structure, and we'll get our higher low. This is that first rejection zone that I'll be looking to potentially get out at. But if we do close past this, I will continue to hold the trade to this weekly structure point. GBP NZD. With this one, we are bullish on the weekly time frame. However, we are getting these dojis, rejection up here. Daily time frame, again, we are bullish. However, 4 hour is having some rejection from this level right here, which is a head and shoulders. We're retesting the neckline, rejecting the neckline. I am potentially looking for a counter trend trade here, just targeting this zone. I think it's a daily area of interest. Yeah, this structure point, daily structure point. So it's going to be a 4 hour is bearish, 2 hour is bullish. This is my elbow, and then we break structure here above this. We're bullish. I'll be waiting for a break below that. 1 hour break below, retest, and then we'll target here. So potentially get my lower time frame shift to structure on the 15-minute, maybe the 30-minute, because this could be, I would honestly consider this an elbow, especially for this trade since it's just a day trade. It'll be a quicker trade, lower stops, something like that, potentially. Yeah, we'll see how our stops end up. We have to watch the structure. But that is what I will be looking for. The next trade I'm looking for is Euro AUD. Again, with this one, I think we may have another week waiting. We are just retesting this previous structure, potentially creating an inverted head and shoulders right here at this area of interest. I do want to see some more rejection though. We do have this bullish candle, but 4 hour time frame is still bearish. I definitely 2 hour and 1 hour have gone bullish. However, I just want to see some more rejection. Even a daily doji, and I want to see the EMA catch up. So yeah, that one potentially this week. I'll keep you guys updated, but I think this one may have some more time. All right, so the next market I'm looking at is GBP AUD. I do think we need to come down lower and retest this area of interest again. However, we could potentially be looking for the wick fill. I don't like that everything's gone bullish, but we are rejecting this level a little bit. This level I see right here on the 4 hour. I think it's a little cleaner. It's this right. So we are pulling up and stopping right here. So we've got this 2 hour doji. I might potentially be looking at the counter trend. I don't know. I kind of want to wait for the actual trade, but it's on my list because I'm just keeping an eye on it. However, my ideal scenario is long positions on GBP AUD. Euro JPY, beautiful. Retesting previous structure point, retesting area of interest daily. 4 hour, I need to see some momentum shift, break a structure, and we will take this trade long. Like, beautiful trade. I want to see a rejection on the weekly or daily, preferably the weekly. And AUD/JPY, we are potentially at the same location. Like, we're retesting this area of interest. I want to see some more rejection. We have all these wicks to fill right here, and I do believe we are going to fill them. So I am just going to be monitoring the lower time frames, 1 hour, 30-minute, 4 hour, seeing how the market looks, and I really want to see some consolidation this week, and potentially next week we get some big trades. I still have these trades on here that need pullbacks. Looks like we may potentially be getting our pullback here soon on GBP USD, which usually I would look for the counter trend, but it just doesn't look as clean on this one as some other ones, like USD CAD. We have this huge wick that we have needed to fill, and we have these two area of interests, one that is fairly ways away. Daily time frame still bullish. 4 hour time frame is starting to consolidate up here. So what I want to see daily time. So what I want to see is us break below the CMA, break below this structure right here, this zone right here, to continue to the downside. I do believe that we have the potential to fill this wick right here. The only thing, it's just not as clean as something I would like to take. If you do look, like, we are technically bullish on this, so this would be the structure point we realistically would need to break in order for 4 hour to go bearish. Yeah, probably just not too hot on my list. I still believe I'll mainly want to be taking the buys on this. The next pair, NZD USD, still just needs that pullback. We are getting a doji, a little bit of rejection. It looks like we have gone bullish on the daily. 4 hour has gone bullish. You know, this counter trend trade actually looks better, in my opinion. We've got this huge area of resistance, or support right here. 4 hour has gone bullish. Daily's gone bullish. Weekly has a doji, and we're anticipating it to pull up to this zone. NZD USD I will be looking at this week. I actually really like this. One hour's bearish. 30. Yeah, I'll be looking lower time frames. I want to see a break of structure. either on the 1 hour or the 4 hour. And an engulfing candlestick to take this trade. Yeah, I will keep you guys updated. I definitely think longs to this spot are very valid. We may even get an engulfing up here, so stops will adjust, but we'll see. This is definitely a counter trend trade I will be willing to take. AUD USD, we have kind of already had that wick pullback. However, it's not a clean enough rejection. Daily time frame on this one again has gone bullish. 4 hour bullet. It's kind of the same thing we just saw with NZD USD. I like this. I like this a lot. Previous area, support, resistance, potentially being used as support right now. We could target our previous structure point right here. Or not previous structure point, but our higher high is what we would target. Yeah, this one we'd have to figure out stop loss placement. 2 hours still bullish, 1 hour bearish, technically. And yeah, 30-minute will definitely need a bigger structure. I think this one take counter trend as well. I do like NZD USD more though. But we could be looking for the wick fill on this weekly time frame. I just have to watch structure more and see cleaner structure, because right now I would definitely need at least a 1 hour break of structure and engulfing on the higher time frame. And the final one I have on here will be NZD CAD. This one I still believe we need retest. Again, this could be a potential another wick fill. We're getting this rejection right here. From, why is this our weekly lower low? So this would be a lower high. Oh yeah, no, duh. Okay, ignore that brain fart right there. But you see we're anticipating a retest here to continue short. I definitely believe daily time frame has gone bullish. For our time frame, yeah, these all three, NZD CAD, AUD and NZD USD, just honestly look like beautiful counter trend trades. We can even shorten this up a little bit. Again, need a lower time frame break of structure. Market just opened. So this is actually exactly what I need. I want price to pull down here, come up, retest, to go long. Just a quick little 1 to 3, 1 to 2, potentially. Definitely will be monitoring. NZD CAD and NZD USD are beautiful to me. AUD USD is but NZD CAD and NZD USD are good. Thank you guys for being here. Sorry it's pretty late. Not gonna lie, I slept in a little bit today. I'm gonna edit this real quick and get it up for you guys. Let's have a great week this week. I will keep you guys updated on the trades that I am interested in taking and everything that I am watching. See, I think this is gonna retest this to come back down and go, oh yeah. Okay, so I'm not gonna get too ahead of myself. I'm gonna probably go do some other things, eat some food, come back in a couple hours and see what the market's doing. But thank you guys again for making it to the end of the video. Please leave a like, comment if you got any comments, concerns, questions, anything you'd like me to go over. Please feel free to let me know down below. Thank you again, and have a great week, everybody.